You come to the Igbos, they don't hate us. It's just that we are the only reason why they cannot get Biafra. So you will have to impose your ideas on the Benin for you to get your Biafra. So a war is declared on the Benin people. The greatest setback that they have is not Nigeria government. It is the Benin people. Yes. So that means they must buy everybody. Even the people you think that your Benin brothers are, a lot of them are being bought every day to tear the history apart. That is why they have been contacting a lot of our people in Esanland to start to give the narratives that they are not part of us. But we need to send a message to them. Right? The concept, we must understand that division cannot get us anywhere. We have to have our backs. And some part of our history that was hoary, that was not really good, we must not try to correct them. The supremacist aspect of our history must be laid low. The pride of the Benin man is based on some 3-4 cardinal points. Our patriotism to the land, our ability to speak truth at all times, and Benins of the old had integrity. These core values over the years have depreciated. There wasn't boundaries of our people. We're just called Benin people at one point in history. So we want to take off those senatorial boundaries, state boundaries that the British created, and now say that we don't have boundaries with Delta State. We don't have boundaries with River State. We are just one people flowing in one direction. Systematically, we lost our language to our neighbors. Systematically, we lost our names to our neighbors. Then systematically, we need to get back our names. We need to get back our language. One of the greatest things about Awolowo did for the Yorubas was bringing different ethnic groups together under an umbrella and giving them one language to unify them, which was the Oyo language. Otherwise, an Ijebu man does not understand the language of the Ilaje. And Elijah does not understand the language of their warrior.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that Bini person said. Let's address the first thing that he said. He said that the Igbos cannot achieve Biafra without Bini people. That Bini people are the major reason why the Igbos cannot actualize Biafra. Now, let's address that one first. How are Bini people the solution to Biafra restoration? How Ona go be the reason for Igbos to get Biafra, whereas Ona still dey Nigeria as Nigeria people? You people are not even a separate country from Nigeria. You people are suffering like every other Nigeria person in this country. You people have not even fought Nigeria government to get your own country. You people are not even agitating to get your own country. You have never even raised Ile-Binu flag that you have actualized your own country. You are not even a superpower. So how it can be say na Bini they hold Igbos not to actualize Biafra? How una take the reason? How these Bini people take the reason now? How una take the reason? Una get sense so? Okay, now we know that the Bini people he's talking about is not the population, it's their Oba. Because when you talk about Benin, now the Oba they talk of, they talk of all these ones who are not get mad for Benin. Only now the Oba be everything for Benin. He is saying that their Oba is the only solution for Igbos to actualize Biafra. Your Oba don't actualize Ile-Binu Republic give una. No. Your Oba is still in the country as Nigeria. Have your Oba ever raised Ile-Binu flag saying that we are now a separate country? No. So how it can be say now they hold Igbos not to actualize Biafra? You people should actualize Ile Binu Republic first before you start talking about Biafra. If to say when I don't actualize Ile Binu Republic, come dey una own. Now that time when I got the talk say, the Igbos need Bini people to actualize Biafra. Now that time we got to say, okay, these people get sense, but everything we just talk for here now, you should say, it no get sense. It's just now the pride where Bini people get, priding over nothing. You are proud over nothing. People in the world that want freedom are calling on Russia to give them freedom. They are calling on the United Nations for freedom. It can't be Bini. Hey, Bini Zikwe, Bini. Now they hold Igbos not to actualize Biafra. These people don't get sense. They don't have sense. Una see the Nigeria, they talk say, now una be the reason why Igbos never actualize Biafra. Say Bini now waiting. Who is Bini? Shana Bini Kingdom where British 1,200 British army, just 1,200 British army wipe out the entire Bini in just 2 days. Just 1,200 British army wipe out the entire Bini. Arrest their Oba, carry their Oba go Calabar. Bini people not do anything. British kill almost all Bini warriors. They turn Bini upside down. Just 1,200. Now you get out the talk rubbish online. And all those Mumu people there, they clap for them. People will not get sense. Biafra matter passed the entire Bini. You saw this IPOB agitators, this Biafra matter is bigger than the entire Bini. Bini not rich if they talk of Biafra matter. Bini not rich. They're not top charts. They're not even top middle charts. They're not even reach quarter of the charts. Who is Bini? People when not give themselves freedom, they talk saying that them go give another people freedom. You know, just say una don't get sense. Una don't become United Nations where they give freedom. Una don't become Russia where they give freedom. People that cannot save themselves from just 1,200 army are online backing. Make una go get sense. So I don't understand this one and they make una go get sense. Okay, let's address the second one that he said. He said that IPOB people, the Biafra people, they are making some Bini people to start causing confusion. They are trying to turn Bini people against Bini people. They are trying to turn Eshan people against Bini people. That Eshan and Bini people are brothers. Eshan people and Bini people are not brothers. They are not one people. Eshan people are the aboriginals of Idu land. Igoromi people also are the aboriginals of Idu land. Igbo people also are the aboriginals of Idu land. They have been there before you Bini people from Yoruba land, Ile-Ife, came and invaded that land 900 years ago, which is the 1200s. The history is there and documented that you Bini people are Yoruba people. But because of your supremacist ideology, you now started forming different lies. Izodua this, Izodua that, a Kalanderan this, a Kalanderan that, forming lies. But we all know that you people are Yoruba people from Ile-Ife. Your Oba is a Yoruba man from Ile-Ife. So many of you Bini people are Yoruba people from Ile-Ife. With the mixture of Ishan people, Igbo people, and Igbo people. These people mixed with you Bini people. And that is why you no longer speak Yoruba, but a hybrid language called Bini. So saying that Ishan people, Igbo people, Igbo people, which are the Ukwuani people, Ika people, Inuane people, Ikore people, saying that all these people are your brothers. They are not your brothers. We are not your brothers. We are not one people with Bini people. We are separate people. We are not Oduduwa people. We are Igbos, ancient Igbos. You people killed so many kings in Isha land in the past. History recorded it. And Isha people know about it. You people killed so many Obi in Ika land. History recorded it. We know. Many Ika people know it till date. So how are you people and we the people of Idu related? We are not related. You kill many of our kings. You still talk say we are you now brothers. Are you people mad? Una dey craze. Shey una go just dey talk online, you go come be like say we know they reply on and on. We see the feel say yes when they talk truth. How can you kill the kings of people you call your brothers and you are still saying that you people are one people? You kill so many kings, impose your sons on them to rule over them. How you use so many of our people during the time of slavery? Who are the people invading Ukwuani land? taking them into slavery. It's you Benin people. Igbos, they, Americas, Caribbean now, and slaves. Now because of you Benin people. All these Igbos, where they Jamaica, so Haiti, Barbados, all those Igbos who were sold into slavery, now you Benin people sell them into slavery by invading Anioma land, invading Nika land, invading Ukwuani, invading Ukwuani, taking them into slavery. And he's here saying, we should correct our history. Those are our history that are awful. Those are our history that are bad. And those history when they talk so now, all these ones where they don't kill people, use people into slavery, use people as sacrifice. Look at this Benin history here. They said that the people that Benin people sell into slavery in the past are Igbo people, Esan people, Uhobo people, Ijo people, and some other tribes. They said that they never sold a Benin person into slavery. That's why you never see any black person outside telling you that he traced his ancestry back to Benin. Never. You sold these people into slavery, and you still have the gods to come and tell us that we are your descendants, that we are one people with you people. Many of these Benin people don't have sense. It's just that not get sense. And you people are unity beggars. He said that they lost their language to all these Ika people, Ukwuani people. Say what they speak before na Benin. We have never spoke Benin language as our language before. Ika people don't speak Benin language as their language. Their language is Igbo since time immemorial. Before Yoruba people came from Ile-Ife. Our language in Ukwuani have always been Ukwuani language, Igbo language. Esan people have been speaking Esan before you people came from Ile-Ife. So how we take corrupt on a language? How we take forget Benin language when they speak what they speak today? So stop lying. We know what you are planning to do. We are not one people with you people. We are separate people. We are a separate identity. People that you are killing for sacrifice, people that you are selling into slavery, and you are still here saying that we are one people. It's because of all this killing and sacrifice that made Eze to run away from Benin. The same thing made Akalaka to run away from Benin with his brother Ochiche. And you are still going about saying that Eze is a Benin man, Akalaka is a Benin man. Is their name Benin name? Is their culture and tradition Benin name? Why are you people always lying? We are not one people with you Benin people. We are Igbos. Esan is Esan, Benin is Benin. They are separate people entirely. And that is why all these Asian people you are seeing today revolting against Benin, telling Benin people that they are not the same people. They are right because they know their history. They know who they are. They are not Benin people. Stop forcing Asian people to identify as Benin. Have you ever seen a Benin person identifying as an Asian person? You go about saying that if you see a snake and Asian person, that you should kill the Asian person first before you kill that snake. Now Benin phrase be that, and you are still saying that Asian people and Benin are one people. Ika and Benin are one people. Ukwuani and Benin are one people. Urobo and Benin are one people. The same Urobo when they call sacrifice, Urobo people when they kill, they give una juju. Now I see they talk say when and Urobo are the same people. Keep deceiving yourselves. We know you people, and we will never allow you people to cross into our land telling our people that they are Benin people. We not allow that to happen. Your agenda is failed on arrival. Igbo Bofu, and we will never allow Benin lies to divide us. Your Benin end in Edo State. He end for that on Benin. He not cross enter Ika land. He not cross enter Ukwuani land. He not cross enter Inuani. He not cross enter Ikwere. Now Benin will end for there. We will always puncture the lies that you Benin people call history. Look at your history here. Saying that you buy people as slaves. You use people as sacrifice. And when person can't get freedom for Benin, Oba will make the person chief, give him title. And if that person come up for that place, go and that person, I will talk say now on a descendant. Igbo chief now on a descendant he can be. Esan chief now on a descendant he can be. Ijo chief now on a descendant he can be. And the person is not bearing Benin name. Slave where get freedom. Una Oba come make and chief. So then in a Benin person he can be. Is a chief and a Benin person. Akalaka and a Benin person. Shameless people. Rubbish.